The SMS Desktop software provides several options for printing your spatial data. One of the options is to create your own custom layout. Creating a custom layout ensures that the printed data appears exactly as you wish to see it. You can also save custom layouts, allowing you to reuse the layout each time you wish to print other data in the same format. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create, save, and print a custom layout. To begin, select and map the data you wish to have included in your custom layout. With the map created, click on the print icon in the main toolbar or go to the File menu and choose Print. The Print Layout Options dialog will now open, where you will select what layout you wish to use when printing your selected data. To begin customizing your own layout, click on the Print Custom Layout icon. Now you will be able to choose to either create a new print layout or select an existing print layout available on the right. In this example, we will begin a new layout. Click the Print Custom Layout button at the bottom. The Custom Layout window will now open. By default, the window will be blank. You will be able to add whatever components you wish to have included in your print layout. The available items to add appear in the second row of icons across the top of the screen and include Add Map, Legend, Layer Summary, Field Summary, Attribute Area Charts, Graphs, Images, Text Boxes, Linked Items, Query Results, and Weather Legends, Summaries, and Charts. To add any of these components, click on the respective icon. Your mouse cursor will now update. Left-click to start drawing the component and drag the mouse to the desired size. After adding any item, you can resize it by holding your mouse over any of the edges or corners and click to drag and resize. To modify the details of any item you've added, right-click and choose Edit Properties, or double-click over the item. To remove any items, right-click and delete, or select the item and use the Delete key on your keyboard. You can add additional pages to your layout by clicking on the Add Page icon in the main toolbar. These new pages can either be blank or can be copies of an existing page. Once you've completed the custom layout, you can save this to be used repeatedly by going to the File menu and clicking on Save Layout, or by selecting the Save button. You can print this custom layout to your default printer or as an image using the Print button. Click Close to exit the custom layout screen. If you wish to load the layout for a different dataset, simply create a new map of the dataset you wish to print and click Print again. Select Print Custom Layout and choose to load an existing print layout. Highlight the name of the layout you wish to load and click Print Custom Layout button at the bottom. The map you currently had created will be loaded into the custom layout that was previously built. Now you will be able to create, edit, save, and load a custom print layout. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.